17. In the diagram above, a block of mass m is initially at rest on a horizontal surface at the base of an inclined plane. The surface and plane have negligible friction. The block is struck by a projectile of mass m traveling with a horizontal velocity vi. The projectile becomes embedded in the block, and they move together to the right with speed vf. The block and projectile smoothly transition onto the inclined plane. Which of the following is a correct expression for the maximum height that the block moves up the inclined plane in terms of vf? This is a classic problem of conservation of mechanical energy in the absence of non-conservative forces. Take into consideration that even if we had two objects before the collision, our analysis begins when the two objects are stuck together. So, for all intents and purposes, this situation can be worked out as if we only have one object in motion of mass m plus m. At the beginning, the object shows only kinetic energy, which transforms into gravitational potential energy as it slides up the plane. At the highest point, all kinetic energy has transformed into potential, and we have k at the beginning equal to ug at the end. This means 1/2 of m plus m times vf squared is equal to m plus m gh. The mass cancels out, and a little algebra will tell you that h is equal to vf squared over 2g. Therefore, our answer is option A.